Some people have approached me requesting me to take them through a step-by-step guide on how a certain person can design a website using any computer regardless of various specifications that other softwares require. So today we are going to learn how can you install the Visual Studio. It is the software that we are going to use because it is compatible to almost all the devices that we may be having. You may find a certain person having a computer lab that is having 500 GB of hard disk. Others are not having that. But basically we are going to use the Visual Studio since it can accommodate all the computers starting from Windows XP machines up to Windows 11 machines. So the first and the foremost, we need to understand how can you install the Visual Studio. You need to get them from the official websites or from the official stores that are responsible for storing that are responsible for softwares. Then after downloading it, you have to install it. Let me take you through. Since I've already downloaded mine, I'm going to go straight to where I stored it and I extract it so that I can start installing. So it is a Visual Studio code. It is there, so you choose the one that is compatible with your machine. If your machine is having 64 bits, you choose that x64. If it is a 32-bit machine, you choose x86. So mine is x64. I've chosen this setup and it's one that I'm going to use. Right click on it, erase, and choose run as administrator. So now we are preparing it to install. So it is giving us that please you allow this app to make changes on your device. If you don't allow, the installation will not be successful. Please accept and move on. After choosing that, the user installer, blah blah blah. Okay, no problem. So we are going to see the license agreement. Since any software that is made, the user must bring the license for you to agree or not to agree. If you don't agree, you are done. If you agree, then you are good to go. So you click on next, and then you say don't create a starting bar. You can either choose don't create a starting menu folder, or you can choose create. Now I'm going to skip it and I go straight to next. And I would like my software to create a desktop icon. I would like to, when I right click on any computer area, it will display that open with code. And I would like to just type the editor, and I would like to open with the code. After that, I'll click next, and then I choose install. It will take like 1 to 3 minutes, and you will be good to go. The main advantage of the Visual Code Studio is one, the codes are defined. They are always in that program. Yes, it is a matter of you knowing which code you are going to use. The Visual Studio, it opens and it closes the program, the code for you, which is not in the other text editor of the Notepad++ and the Notepad. So we are going to look at website designing using Visual Studio. To those people that are having computers which are having a lot of things that they may require if they are going to build them using either Micromedia, Dreamweaver, Expression Web, Mobilize, and even WordPress. So we are going to learn basic coding, and we see it as something to enjoy. So let us wait, it is completing and it will be ready for us to use it. That is our first session. The next session we shall be looking at how can you start your Visual Studio and make some websites. So it has completing the Visual Studio Code Setup Wizard. This has finished, the setup has finished the installation on your computer, and the application may be launched. Click finish. So you click on finish, the app program has been installed. So you see the icon is here and it is ready now for us to use it. So next lesson we are going to learn how we can easily maneuver around. Good afternoon.